everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about the topic nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In our previous session we had started with haloalkanes and haloarenes and learned the classification of it. So now let's learn how these are named. So in the naming of a compound we'll be having the two types, that is common name and IUPAC name. And how haloalkanes are named means the common name will be named as alkyl halide, means the first will be mentioned the alkyl group and the next halide group, whereas in IUPAC name of the haloalkanes will be first halide will be named, later alkyl group. So let's take an example. In this example you can observe, for giving a common name, the alkyl group present here is propane, as there are 3 carbon atom present, so it will be propyl. And the halide group present here is the bromine, so bromide. Propyl bromide is the common name of this compound. As there is no branches in this chain, we can call it as N-propyl bromide. IUPAC name of this compound will be, when we number the carbon, the halide group must be in the least carbon number. So we are naming from 1, 2, 3. So here we can write 1 bromo. IUPAC name, first halide name must be mentioned. So 1 bromo. Next alkyl group, that is propane. 1 bromo. Propane is the IUPAC name of this. Another example, let us take CH3, CH, CH3, Cl. In this common name, we have to name the first is alkyl group, that is propyl, and the chloride is the halide group present here, so propyl chloride. Here is a branching chain present, so we can name it as isopropyl chloride. And the IUPAC name for this will be, as the chloride is formed is near the second carbon, so we call 2-chloropropane. Chloropropane is the IUPAC name of this. So next, haloarenes. In these haloarenes, the common name and the IUPAC name will be almost same. Let's take an example of, for this, for giving a common name, the halide group which is present, that will be named first, that is chloro. This is a benzene ring, so chlorobenzene will be the common name, whereas IUPAC name will be the same, chlorobenzene. As there is only one halide group here, we are getting the same common name and IUPAC name. A slight changes will be in the dihalides or trihalides. Let's see. In such case, common name will be dibromobenzene. The positions after these will be ortho, this is meta position, and this is para position. So the dibromo, 1 bromo is in the meta position, so meta dibromo, 2 bromo groups are present, so dibromobenzene. In the IUPAC name, you will be writing 1,3 dibromobenzene. This is the first position, this is second and third. So 1,3 dibromobenzene. This is how you name the haloalkanes and haloarenes. The next topic is nature of CX bond. Nature of CX bond, that is carbon and halide bond. In this carbon and halide bond, here halide being the 17th group element, it will be always electronegative, more electronegative. So it will bear slightly negative charge, carbon will bear slightly positive charge. So here polarization occurs. Alkyl halide is, the alkyl halide is polarized. Alkyl halide is polarized. We know from fluorine, chlorine to bromine to iodine, the size of the atom increases. In the same way, the carbon halogen bond length means the distance between the nuclei of the two bonded atom in a molecule, will also increase in the same manner. CF2, CCl2, CBr to Ci. In this way it increases. In the same way, talking about their bond enthalpy, that is bond energy, it decreases down the group as the size increases down the group. So this was about the nature of CX bond of haloalkanes. So guys, if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.